Good evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, back with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Google unveils a revamped Android logo design ahead of Android 14's launch. The refreshed design seeks a stronger connection between Android and Google brands. The Android text logo starts with an uppercase letter harmonizing with the Google logo. The Android robot gets a 3D revamp and is now adaptable to various design elements. The update emphasizes Android's commitment to user choice, creativity, and autonomy. Next up, we have HitachiAstemo integrates AMD's adaptive computing technology in its new stereo format camera. The camera aids adaptive cruise control and autonomous emergency braking for enhanced safety. AMD's automotive Axe ZenQ Ultra Scale Plus MP-SoC delivers both stereo and monocular image processing. Detection is expanded to 120 degrees, a 3x improvement over prior gen cameras. The collaboration aims to elevate next-generation vehicle safety through superior vision capabilities. OnePlus is set to launch its inaugural foldable phone soon. An upcoming flagship phone in the number series is also in the works. Updated renders reveal camera sensor realignment and a subtle branding change. The design showcases a curved display with a center-aligned punch hole and a slim bezel. Leaks and renders hint at OnePlus' continued commitment to innovation and aesthetics. OpenAI is hosting its first developer conference, OpenAI DevDay, on November 6, 2023. Developers globally can engage with the OpenAI team, learn about new tools, and share knowledge. Registration for physical attendance is upcoming with a live stream for the keynote. The event builds on OpenAI's enterprise-focused ventures like ChatGPT Enterprise. CEO Sam Altman is eager to present the latest advances and empower developers with OpenAI tech. GoPro introduces the Hero 12 Black camera and the Max Lens Mod 2.0 SC. The Hero 12 features extended battery life, superior video stabilization, and HDR photos. It supports multiple aspect ratios and shines in night photography. Max Lens Mod 2.0 enhances the field of view and provides powerful post-production tools. GoPro also debuts a 48-inch extension pole and a waterproof Bluetooth shutter remote with a quick desktop app set for phased launches. Next up, we have Claw debuts 6 versatile cooling pad with features like turbofan, USB hub, and RGB light. Ergonomic designs offer adjustable heights and angles for extended use comfort. Arctic K25 Pro is tailored for daily laptop gamers with RGB light, 4 motor fans, and 7 height options. Frost K42 transforms desk with its RGB surround light, perfect for casual gamers. Glacier F13 is a gaming-focused pad with 5 turbo fans, RGB mode, and a built-in LCD for customization. Iceberg F4 and Breeze C3 offers intense cooling and a mix of aesthetics and functionality respectively. At last, Sonos announces the Move 2 release on 20th September for $449. The Move 2 supports stereo audio, boasts double the battery life, and features redesigned controls. Externally, the Move 2 closely mirrors its predecessor but incorporates a built-in handle. Internally, 2 tweeters and a woofer enhance sound, with a battery life jump from 10 to 24 hours. The Move 2 stand has a testament to Sonos' commitment to portable, high-quality sound. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
ये डब्बा हमको मिला है 60,000 रुपए का। इस डब्बे के बारे में आज सारी चीजें बताने वाला हूँ। वीडियो सेव करो, दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करना। अपने i3, i5, i7, i9 के बारे में सुनाऊंगा। ये है इंटेल का i9 13 जनरेशन, सबसे लेटेस्ट और सबसे खास बात है आपके लैपटॉप में नहीं आता है, ये कस्टम पीसीस के लिए बना है। चलिए इसको खोल के देखते हैं कैसा दिखता है, क्या हमारे 60,000 रुपए वर्थ इट है। इस तरीके की इसमें पैकेजिंग आती है। चिप तो मैं आपको पार्ट 2 में दिखाऊंगा। तो हमने प्रोसेसर मंगाया, इसके अंदर 24 कोर है, 8 परफॉर्मेंस कोर है, 16 एफिशिएंट कोर है एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ थ्रेड्स 32 मिलते हैं। इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग के लिए पार्ट 2 के लिए कमेंट करना। और इसमें आपका सिस्टम तो हैंग नहीं होगा, बट जो सिस्टम को फॉलो करता है तो आईटी शॉर्ट्स को भी कर लेना ऐसी अमेजिंग टेक शॉर्ट्स के लिए। टिल देन कमेंट सिस्टम डाउन। मिलते हैं कल।